So shocker, it's raining, and it's raining hard too. There's actually water running across my floor. Pretty sure you guys can't hear any of this. I'm just going to time lapse it. Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Small Block Saloon. Today we're going to continue progress on our Predator 212 powered Wasteland project bike. Alright guys, so we got some updates. Got the thumb throttle on. Also welded up this pipe. Not Joe came over and helped me weld it up. He gave me this old expansion chamber off a dirt bike, and we got that mocked up, welded up. We'll still have to do some kind of exhaust shield so you don't burn your get your leg burned. I got to make a mount there. Might do something cool here on the end. All right, so I got the bracket made. Just cut it out with a grinder, put it in a vise, and bend it over. It's gonna go pretty much right here like this. Use that stud to bolt it on, and then we'll just weld the edge to the pipe. So let's do that next. Alright guys, so we got that expansion chamber cut, welded on. Excuse me, it's not welded on, it's cut and it's ready to be welded on. But I think that's kind of unique looking and gonna work. So we'll get it welded on now. So shocker, it's raining, and it's raining hard too. There's actually water running across my floor. Pretty sure you guys can't hear any of this. I'm just going to time lapse it. I got that switch mounted. Totally forgot to hit record when I put it on, but it was just two Phillips head screws to put it on. We're gonna get the grip put back on. This was actually the factory throttle, twist throttle. So I think what I might do is shorten it a little bit, because it actually should be down to like right there where that switch is at. But we're gonna shorten it and probably just glue it to the handlebar. I think that's what we're gonna do next. Alright YouTube, we'll make some progress. One problem is where this pipe is. When you sit on this bike, it's real easy to burn your thigh. So I got some fiberglass wrap here. I'm going to just hold it on with some zip ties for now, and then I'll put some clamps on it later or whatever. But there's a lot of different ways people do this, but I just wrap it. I've done some headers and stuff in the past, and some people say wet it, and that probably would allow you to put it on a little tighter, but what I found is the best deal is to overlap it really good That'll keep it from backing off, and also it helps insulate it. I still might make a heat shield to go on this. Put a zip tie on it to hold it for now. Still probably won't want to put your leg on it even with it wrapped, because I'm sure it's still gonna get plenty warm, but that'll be alright for right now. Yeah, it's right there. It should be about right. The best advice is just don't touch it, but it's gonna happen. You know, we've all been there and burned our leg on a pipe before. All right, YouTube, here we go. We're gonna fire her up. Maybe. What do you think, YouTube? So there you go. It runs. So yeah. One more thing checked off the list. Got to get that chain on, and brakes, nut and bolt, check the whole thing. There's some loose bolts. You saw that sissy bar fall off. It was just stuck in there. It won't bolt it on. It won't vibrate it off. So we're gonna keep on keeping on. Got the kill switch and everything wired up. I got this molded up. I need to cut the back out of this for the chain. I can't find a master link. I need to find a master link to get that bolt on. We're getting close though. We're getting real close. So I want to say thanks to anybody that's a new subscriber. If you're watching this and you haven't seen my car videos, a lot of my videos are on the Wasteland car. It's kind of a Mad Max tribute car. We're going to take to the Wasteland weekend event in September. This bike is going as well. This is primarily for my wife to ride around. She wants her own thing to cruise around on, do her own thing while we're out there. So do her this little mini bike, and we're getting close, man. We got about 70 days at filming this at this time. We got about 70 days, so it's clicking away. But we're checking some things off the list. I think it's gonna be right up to the very end before we, you know, we probably won't get everything done, but we'll get the majority of stuff done. So appreciate all you guys watching. Hopefully you've been entertained by this. If you have, think about subscribing if you haven't subscribed. If not, we appreciate you watching. Maybe we'll earn that. And drop me a comment, please. I really struggle with doing this lately. I don't want to say it's not fun, because it is still fun, but it's just so much to do. I get hung up and I want to just work. I don't want to set up the camera. I don't want to film. I don't want to edit. You know, it's a lot to it. So comments help with that. It helps with motivation. It makes me feel like somebody's getting something out of it. I mean, even if you just tell me where you're watching from. You don't have to. I'm not hunting for compliments. I mean, I just engagement, man. Tell me where you're from. Tell me if you're going to the event. Tell me if you don't know about the event, never heard about the event, want to know more about the event. I've never been either. This is my first time, so we'll learn it all together, and we're going to video and document the trip. So, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Later.